Today I will show you how to make healthy homemade bird treats. These treats are all natural and very easy to make. So here's what you will need. Your basic birdseed, oats, flour, preferably whole wheat flour as it contains more nutrients, honey, water, and some millet. To begin with, you will need 2 tablespoons of birdseed, 2 tablespoons of oats, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Then add some millet and start mixing. Then add half a teaspoon of water and give it a quick mix. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix until it's fully incorporated. It should be like a dough, and if it's not, just add more water or flour. The dough should be easy to work with and not too sticky. Then roll them into small balls and put them on a baking sheet. Then put them in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!